fasten the vertical seam clip to the deck with the proper type and number of fasteners. If a fastener strips out, remove the clip and reposition it so the fastener can drill a new hole at least 3/8 of an inch from the stripped hole, or install an oversized fastener into the stripped hole. Failure to do this will impact the system's ability to resist the applied loads, so make sure the installation is secure. For certain building codes and state or county specifications, special clip spacing may be required. Metal Sales can provide specific clip and fastener spacing. Before you install the second vertical seam panel, tube sealant must be placed on the underlap rib of the first panel at the eave. Place the second panel on top of the previously installed panel so that the second hem panel can be engaged with the offset cleat. Next, begin snapping the panels together, working from eave to peak. It is critical that panels only be snapped in one direction. Repeat this process for the remaining panels. If you are installing vertical seam panels and come to a valley condition, lay the panel down at the valley and mark the panel ribs to be cut. Snap a chalk line for the diagonal cut of the pan of the panel 2 inches from the panel ribs. Bend the panel hem around and install a continuous bead of tube sealant in the open hem. Slide the panel into the offset cleat at the valley and snap into place. Install panel clips. Once the panels are properly snapped into place, be sure to clean any debris or excess sealant before continuing the next section of the roof.